Straight up, last minute, you know what time it is. Word up. Yeah. Word up, flip, blah, blah. What up? Hey yo, clientele kid. We in the building getting ill money. Those who 8 hours they get guard rugby zone in full fist. Attracting the mix we go against. The money was his. One nasty unit of murderers. Full type of goons to watch. Then 4 minutes later they burglars. I heard from the grapevine, mine made it. Elevate the name up. This gift got a rain and his game went up. And now he's stronger than ever. Night jackets and classics go against it in his instant. Bandanas, he run things. Gun down kings. Check the joint, the kid flying in. Crib in Africa with 2 lions. Son like a prince of a Jew thief. So smacked the millions. Came back, wrapped it up too sweet. The game was missing something unique. I put too much in to fall back on. I'd rather you sleep.
We designing, rhyming with diamonds. Ice water, it was all in the timing. He gave y'all niggas bricks on consignment. To the death and he billboard climbing. We designing, rhyming with diamonds. Ice water, it was all in the timing. He gave y'all niggas bricks on consignment. To the death and he billboard climbing.
Yo, caught a bomb harder over nearly everybody. Very rarely you find me without the mini shotty. Just waiting for Ray to give me the cue, and then you see about 100 Puerto Rican niggas shooting, nigga get down, lay down. We don't play around. I don't know what you heard, but we don't play around. It's good coke, you look, bro, what the fuck happened? How you leave the dope game to pursue rapping? Already knowing that this shit was trash. Keep it hard on the mic when you click his ass. All we try to do is bring dignity to rap. Man, you kidding me? I'm literally the epitome of that. We much better than y'all. Terror error this squad. My niggas said it when we get in the yard. Whether more see a car stop, trigger pump, cop straight punch in your lung, and you niggas gon' drop.
We designing, rhyming with diamonds. Ice water, it was all in the timing. He gave y'all niggas bricks on consignment. To the death and he billboard climbing. We designing, rhyming with diamonds. Ice water, it was all in the timing. He gave y'all niggas bricks on consignment. To the death.
Oh, no thanks. Last time I smoked that stuff, they found me on top of the Sears Tower trying to build a nest. Now, I love your hair, man. It's natural hair and you're a natural man. But I'm getting a lot of flack from the health department. And even I'm a little uncomfortable with the possibility of one of the guests picking a 5-foot hair out of the tuna salad. You dig where I'm coming from?
Yeah, man, I dig where I'm coming from. Clean that jack, we need that maintenance man shit that so now your word hurts more. Kill his ass, as lame as he. I cut my ear, man.
Can't cut your hair. I know how we can work this one out. Come with me.
Billboard climbing, shoot him in his mouth. Fucking me act up, get the gasoline, tell Terry to pull the act up. Bring him to Ray warehouse, hang up from hooks and skin his ass. As lame as he look, he ready to cook and he plead him for mercy. Plead him from his dome and he thirsty. The first week we made him eat shit. Videotape this whiz and I fucked this bitch. Made him watch me on the couch having fun with his kids. So now your word hurts more. Is it me showing love to your fam? Or you in the box laid under the floor? Or keep you alive, low torching your walls? My murder chainsaw, your blood's on my Scarface wall. Not even Ajax can clean that jack. We need that maintenance man shit that cure like greasy blood on contact. Finish you all cause I'm pressed for time. Your man and them will be next to die. Motherfucker, we designing, rhyming with diamonds. Ice water, it was all in the timing. He gave y'all niggas bricks on consignment. To the death and he billboard climbing. We designing, rhyming with diamonds. Ice water, it was all in the timing. He gave y'all niggas bricks on consignment. To the death and he billboard climbing.
And look at that for disrespect.
Two of you. Okay.
See you guys, good to see you.
Okay. She's lighting it here. Is this cool or what?
Hey, yo, yeah.
What up, man?
You know, Buster Buzz, good to see you guys. It's good to see you guys.
Good to see you too, man.
Let's take the streets for a little ride.
Okay, we ride.
Yeah, you better light your L, smoke your L, and just
Kiss the sky.
look. And look at that for disrespect. Bust some F.
5 grand man die.
I think the streets been looking for this one for a long time.
Come on! I came to bring the pain, more hard to the brain. I'm busting that ass again. I burn like acid rain, that ass is rain. You niggas trying to see how I come at your thing. Man, it other than I'm heading in. Yes, not for president, the hell with gasoline draws just for the hell of it. And I ain't delicate, blows hot as kettle get. Now if you ain't fucking with that, you must be celibate. Splash just a little, got a sack, you can feel a little hash in the middle. Where that? In the middle, yep, mommy, if you got a bad ass, make it jiggle, yup. Put it in my next video, shot by Little X. Sending me up, gon' work till there ain't any luck. I'm trying to get what I'm worth, but not a penny less. Ain't bad. Come on, ain't bad. Come on, everybody do it with your stank can. Make it off somebody, grab somebody, stomp somebody, slap somebody. Make you wanna step to the bar, sip the party. Wild ass bass in the club, we in the party. Brooklyn, come on, Shaolin, come on, Queens down the Long Island, come on, Bronx nigga, come on, Manhattan, come on, each and every hood what's happening, come on, real talk, nigga, yo man, let me get at these niggas, now watch me back your shit up, I hope you people pull up and pick up and back your shit up, homie it's time to move, while I'm singing like you, let me believe you with all of your fingers, see the streets and never believe in you niggas, come on, hit and battle, you can watch me picture me waiting, aim and attack you, instead I'ma let one of my bitches slap you, I ain't right you when your niggas been trying to feel a wrath of the unruly awakening of a sleeping giant, very defiant, once I give you the pressure and then I apply it, and then you're breathing and stop it totally quiet. Dabbing in the shit to call me the pilot. I leave you when your crew will collide on me, diet off on the niggas. Like the hood of 1,000 cattle that'll travel over your face and frazzle your shit. Chop you worse than the brick and then we torture you and then get the weapon and get the stepping, nigga. This shit'll make you rob somebody, grab somebody, stab somebody, slap somebody, make you wanna step to the bar, sip a cardi. Wild out, spaz in the club, we in the party. Brooklyn, come on, Shaolin, come on, Queens down the Long Island, come on, Bronx nigga, come on. Come on, each and every hood was happening. Come on. Come on, niggas. Listen, let me talk. Can't you see what I got for you now? Shake your big fat ass in front of me now. For all my high runners, for all my live runners. We in the blackout, follow the story now. Just feel my heat, and you know I'm gonna just keep the street. My nigga, you know when you're about to lose it, my nigga. You know we gon' get real stupid. My nigga, see the police coming, fireman coming, street niggas ready to ride and start dumbing. I let us see it whenever you and your man frontin'. Me and Memphis step to your hood, this man something. Who is he? Yo, AC, killing these cowards. Whack niggas get pimp slapped, give me some powder. Click clack, running your back, nothing about it. Kick back, running your gap, one thing allow it. My niggas selling all. You know we see in the film, God, this keep needing niggas like me and you, God. I think when I'm singing from here, we got them wildin', yo. Logical, we should've did this shit a long time ago. I got that shit, they make rappers shit and shoot. Nasty MC, I spit flows and spit me. Oh man, I'm tipping. I'm nothing like a curious child. Simply, born in the hood with furious child. Should've make you rob somebody, grab somebody, stab somebody, slap somebody, make you wanna step to the bar, sip a cardi. Wild ass fast in the club, we in the party. Brooklyn, come on, Shaolin, come on, Queens down the Long Island, come on, Bronx nigga, come on, Manhattan, come on, each and every hood what's happening, come on, everything, every rotation, come with it, let me talk, come on, hey yo, y'all, flip my Wu-Tang, ain't that some shit? That's some shit. Action Trifly, bust a bust. That's the cow. Yeah. Hey, let me know when you want to do anything,
I can't find my friend Barry anywhere. Where the hell he is? Can you join us? Are you insane? This is a mistake. This is,
excellent, excellent. Alors, ouais, je vais filmer ailleurs. Ah non, 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 pas ça. Au secours, stop. Voilà. Non, excellent. On va filmer ailleurs. Excellent. C'est donc une mélodie. La mélodie principale est une mélodie qui a été créée par Stuart Copeland, qui est l'ancien batteur du groupe Police. Et vraiment, 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 j'apprécie énormément. De toute façon, les mélodies, les sons qu'il crée, parce que, en tant que batteur, il est particulièrement intéressé par le beat, en fait, par le, comment dirais-je, par cette espèce d'énergie que moi j'associe à une énergie qui vient de la terre, quelque chose de fondamental, quelque chose qui nous relie vraiment fondamentalement à la terre, qui nous porte. Et vraiment ce son en arrière-fond, sur lequel se sont associées effectivement différentes figures du rap US, que je n'apprécie pas du tout, dans le sens où dans le rap américain, on présente vraiment les femmes comme des objets. C'est clair, des objets de désir, des objets de tout ce qu'on veut, mais bon, en tout cas des objets. Et l'argent qui domine ce monde, qui est vraiment aujourd'hui le maître du monde, sous l'égide, selon ma perception et celle d'un certain nombre de personnes, sous l'égide de ce qu'on appelle l'ennemi, spirituellement. Voilà, je n'adhère pas, enfin, il y a un côté pornographique qui est quand même très accentué dans ce type de clip. Bon, le mapuka, c'est une danse, effectivement, je crois, africaine, où les femmes remuent leur popotin de façon mais hyper suggestive, mais à la limite de la pornographie quand même quelque part. Alors oui, ça peut interroger, oui, bien sûr, mais en même temps, franchement, je le dis assez clairement, maintenant je réfléchis beaucoup là-dessus en ce moment, j'apprécie particulièrement cette musique. Vraiment, je kiffe ce clip, quoi. C'est bon. Voilà, j'adore, ça fait 2 jours ou 3 jours que j'écoute ça en boucle, et vraiment ça me galvanise. Mais maintenant ça m'interroge parce que voilà, ce rapport à la, comment on pourrait appeler ça, à l'impudicité, quelque part, pour les chrétiens est quelque chose de dangereux, dans le sens où ça nous éloigne de la pureté, entre guillemets, effectivement, que Dieu attend de nous. Donc voilà, donc en ce moment je me sens un peu en décalage. Bon, il y a d'autres raisons aussi, mais je me sens un peu en décalage. Et le fait que depuis mon baptême le 10 mars, je n'ai pas encore parlé en langue, comme on dit. Le parler en langue est un des signes du Saint-Esprit en nous. Et voilà. Donc du coup, comme ça n'est pas fait, on peut s'interroger sur... Enfin, on peut manifestement considérer qu'il y a un problème spirituel. Et j'évolue vraiment entre 2 eaux, hein, quand même, depuis un moment, là. Et voilà. Et en même temps, nous sommes des êtres charnels, des êtres de terre, hein, nous sommes reliés à la terre, avec ce qu'elle porte. Alors là, c'est une justification qui ne servira à rien aux yeux du Créateur, simplement... ça peut effectivement comme expliquer, en tout cas pour moi, et je travaille dessus, je vais y travailler, je prie de toute façon pour être vraiment reporté très très loin de ça, mais là en ce moment j'avoue je suis vraiment entre 2 champs. Bien, allez, ça suffit, on va poster ça parce que tout ça c'est encore du blabla inutile.